See, 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 see. What are you doing? Can't you see I'm trying to sleep? Now leave me alone. Sam Cat is really good at doing that. And that's why we have a cat named Sam the Cat. Because Sam Cat's good at doing that. And so, this will be the end of Sam Cat good at doing that. I'll still be doing Sam Cat's voice, but no more Sam Cat good at doing that. So, thank you all for watching this series, and make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. I'll still be making Sam Cat voice videos and other Sam Cat series, but it's probably gonna have to wait. Maybe, I don't know. That's the world works in mysterious ways. So goodbye, and thank you all for watching this series. Bye.